Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this brand new 2023 Honda HR-V, and we're going to do the Taillight Tint installation on this vehicle. So this is how it looks before the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that might hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before starting the installation, we want to make sure we prep the lens. So all we're doing is just applying Slip Solution onto the lens, and then with our microfiber towel, removing any contaminants that the lens might have. Okay, so to start the installation, we want to apply Slip Solution onto the lens and onto the tint film as well. And with this one, you want to start off by aligning it right on this edge first. So once we have it aligned to the edge here, we're just going to tack down this section to secure it in place. That way we're able to stretch the film to meet it to this edge here. So apply Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film. Now that we have this section tacked down, we lift this part of the film, apply Slip Solution, and then just stretch the film until it reaches this edge of the tail light. So this piece only requires a light stretch until it meets here. Once it's here, tack it down to secure it in place, and then we just work away in this middle section to remove any small fingers and helping it tack down underneath the tail light here. So just apply Tack Solution underneath the tail light and on top, and start tacking down this bottom section here. And that's it. Now we move on to this install. So for this piece, it's the same process. Just apply Slip Solution onto the lens and then the tint, and just align it to this edge here. Once you have it aligned here, remove the film and apply Tack Solution so we can start helping this section of the film tack down. So just tack it down. So now that this section has been tacked down, the next step is to lift this side of the film and apply Slip Solution. What I recommend using in case you are struggling to stretch the film to meet it this end here, I recommend using warm soapy water. Once you have warm soapy water, just apply it onto the lens and onto the tint. What the warm soapy water does, it helps the film stretch more better in case there is a cold environment. So just apply your warm soapy water and you'll be able to stretch the film better. We'll make sure this area is dry, and then just stretch it up to this edge here. So if you need to, remove it again and apply warm soapy water, tack it down, and then stretch. So as you can see, we're able to meet it up to the edge here. Make sure everything's aligned. Once you have it on the edge, hold it in position and then tack it down with Tack Solution. And then make sure it's aligned here and on top as well. And then here we're just going to work away in removing this finger here and this finger up here. Okay, and to break down these fingers on each side here, you need to apply Tack Solution on top and on the bottom, and just take your time breaking down each one. What I recommend doing is when you're breaking each one down, try to break them down into smaller pieces. Once you have them into smaller sections, then you can start squeegeeing, and when you squeegee at an angle. And you could also use a heat gun and a microfiber towel. Just wrap the microfiber towel around the squeegee like this, and then with the heat gun at an angle, breaking down each finger one by one. So make sure you separate them, make them small as you can, and then once they're small, just start breaking them down. So Tack Solution and heat. Okay, and the last thing to do once you finish installing both sets is just pulse heating all around and making sure we remove any fingers that might still be popping out, and also securing each edge. That way the film doesn't lift on the edges as well. So just apply Tack Solution all around, and then with your heat gun and your microfiber towel, seal all of the edges and the tint. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the Taillight tints for the 2023 Honda HR-V. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you're subscribed and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.